Today video is about Excel if function and nested if function. Firstly, we need to have a look on syntax of the formula. Actually, this is the logical test that provide the result in the form of true or in the form of false. If the result is true, then what return we want to see in the certain cell, and if the result is false, what the result we want to see in the cell. Let's take a look on example. This is the result details, student codes, total marks, obtained marks and percentages. I want to apply the if function in the simple ifs column. If the percentages is above the 50%, then the result should be written as a pass or otherwise fail. Equal if bracket open D5 greater than 50% or E2, comma, if you look at the syntax, I provide the logical test, that is, if d5 is greater than 50%, then what should come if this value true, if this condition true, or otherwise if value false. If this percentage is greater than 50%, what result should return in the cell, that is pass, inverted comma, EASS pass, inverted comma. If you look at the syntax, the false syntax area is highlighted here. Otherwise, inverted comma, in the case of false, fail. Bracket close, enter. You can see the student who obtained the 74% marks is pass, and I copy the formula and apply in below cell. You can see the two candidates cannot pass the exam, they are failed. 42% is fail and 49% is also fail and remain all the pass. This is the quite simple. Moving to next, nested if function. This is the multiple condition and multiple logical test function. There is a criteria. Actually, I want to grading the each student here. I provide the criteria for grading. If an individual, if a student obtain 90% to 100%, then grading or remarks should be exceptional. If 80 to 90%, that is excellent, and if 70 to 80%, that remarks is good, and 50 to 70% is fair, and less than 50% is fail. I apply the nested if function. This is the multiple logical test function. I apply here equal if. You need to now, if you apply the nested if function, you should apply the condition from higher side. Let's suppose if function bracket open d5, if d5 is greater than 90%, I should apply the 90% first. I cannot apply 50% in first. If d5 is greater than 90%, then what should be written if the value, if the test is true? This is the exceptional remarks. Grading should be reflect in the cell. I fix it, comma, if bracket open again d5 is greater than 80%. If value is true, what result should return? Excellent, that is I7. I fix it again, if function D5 is greater than 70%. What should be reflect? That is good. That is placing I8. I just fix it by pressing F4. Again I apply the again if function. D5 is greater than 50%. What should be reflect? That is fair. If all condition is true, I apply the certain grading in the certain cell. If all condition will fail and will false, what result should be reflected in the cell? That is I10. I just fix it. Enter. You see these 74%, 70 to 80% grading is good. If you can see the good grading is applied there. I simply copy the formula and paste in the below cell. 92% is exceptional. You can see in the criteria 90 to 100% is exceptional, and 49% is less than 50%. So these two are the failed. So you can